Hello everyone. Welcome to another simple English learning story. Today, I want to tell you the story of an old man. Listen carefully and enjoy the story. You can also repeat the sentences to improve your English. Dash. My name is Rehan. I am 70 years old. I live in a small village. My life is simple, but I am happy. When I was young, I worked on a small farm with my father. Every morning, I woke up before sunrise. I helped my family grow vegetables and take care of the animals. Life was not easy, but we always worked hard. We did not have much money. However, we always had enough food to eat. My mother taught me to be kind and honest. My father taught me never to give up. I listened to their advice every day. Years passed, and I became a teacher. I loved teaching children. Every day, I walked to school with a smile. My students were always happy to see me. I told them to study hard and believe in themselves. Some of my students became doctors. Some became engineers. Some became teachers like me. That made me very proud. Now I am old. I no longer work at the school. Every morning, I take a short walk in the park. I enjoy the fresh air and listen to the birds singing. Sometimes, I sit on a bench and read my favorite book. In the evening, my grandchildren come to visit me. They love listening to my stories. We laugh together and drink tea. Those moments make me very happy. I have learned an important lesson in life. Money is important, but kindness is more valuable. Success is good, but a good heart is even better. Always respect your parents. Help other people whenever you can. Work hard. Be honest. Keep learning every day. Never stop believing in yourself. Life is a beautiful journey. Enjoy every moment with a thankful heart. Thank you for listening to today's story. I hope you learned some new English words and sentences. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video and subscribe for more simple English learning stories. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next story. Goodbye.